Hi guys, welcome to Commix and More. Today I'm going to try out Bobbie Tint. I'll read the directions. Wear it under your favorite lipstick or lip gloss. Wear under high beam on cheeks for a healthy, dewy glow. Okay. But this time, I'm going to try this without lip balm or lipstick. So, just the lip tint alone. Are you ready? Okay. Here. Na-late? Ano? Okay. So it did not indicate any shade. It's just LT-01. So I bought it in Robinsons. It's 85 pesos only. So let's try. Actually, I did not see any difference. It's very bitter. And the smell is like strawberry-ish, but it's not like that for the taste. For the color, I don't think it's good for me. I think it's just the same. Parang wala lang. So this time, let's try it with my Chapstick. Total hydration. Dehydration. Okay, it's given to me as a gift by my student. I'm very lucky. So, I'll remove my tint first. Stop. Okay. Ta-da! It's all gone. So, I'm gonna put this chapstick on my lips first. Okay, I'll read. Oh, it's soothing vanilla. There. It says here 100% natural lip care. Wow. Okay. And then it also replenishes lips with vitamin E. And it's for intense moisturization. It's clinically proven for a healthier looking lips. Okay, then let's try. Oh, here. It smells like coconut. Okay, where's my mirror? Using lip balm can help your lips in avoiding cracked churva here. Just like mine, because I don't use lip balm. But it's a good thing that my student gave me this so that it can help me in keeping my lips healthy. Okay, so I'm done with the lip balm. It's very shiny. Okay, I'll put the Bobbie lip tint now. Okay. So bitter. Okay. Let's see. Okay. The difference now is it looks shinier because of the lip balm. But I won't try anymore using it under the lipstick because I don't use lipsticks. Okay, every time you close the tint, it leaves, what do you call this? Residue? Excess? I don't know why, but yeah. It's messing up my hands. Chadan, chadan. So I'm going to clean it up. It tastes so bitter. Okay. But it says here that you can also use this as a cheek tint. So I'm gonna try this one on my cheeks. I have fluffy cheeks and my face is so round, so I don't really know how to use this one on my cheek. I'll just add some color to it. Okay. Where is the cover? It's there. Can you please get it? Somebody's calling. Okay, let's proceed. There's an instruction here on how to put it in your cheeks. Apply 3 dots of the tint on the apple of your cheeks and blend quickly with fingertips. Okay, here. Oh man, look. So like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same. It says here 3 dots only. I don't know where's the apple of my cheek, so just bear with me. 1, 2, 3, and then you have to blend it using your fingertips. Like that. Upwards. Row. Did it make a difference? I think so. A bit. So I'm going to apply the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Is it the same? Not even. Okay, blend, 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 blend. Ta-da! I don't like it. Okay, so that's it. I think it gave a bit color to my cheeks now, but on my lips, I do not prefer to use this one anymore. It's very bitter, and I think if you really want to have that strong color on your lips, you have to put many times. And for a person who's always on the go, charot. Of course, you want everything to be easier. So I would suggest that if you really want to buy this one, because it's only cheap, it's 85 pesos only, you have to put it again and again, and then you let it dry, and then you put again, and then again and again, until you achieve that color that you want. Okay, so if I'm going to rate this, in a scale of 10, I will give this a 5. Because, I don't know, the taste is bad. I'll give it a 5 because whenever you cover, it leaves excess tint in your hand. Okay, so that's it for my Bobbie tint test.